Navaratri is a journey of the soul. Each day we move closer to the heart of the Divine Mother, and each form of Durga reveals to us a new truth of life, a new secret of the universe. On this fourth day, we worship Ma Kushmanda, the radiant goddesses who created the entire cosmos with nothing but her smile. She is the light within the darkness, the mother of the universe, the one who gives energy to the sun itself. But who is she? How did she bring forth creation? And what does her form means for us even today? Let us travel deep into her story. Before the beginning, there was nothing. No earth, no sky, no stars, and no beings. Only endless darkness, an infinite void stretched without end. There was no sound, no movement, no breath. The gods themselves did not exist. Even time had not yet begun. There was only the vast silence of the unmanifest. And then, in that timeless void, appeared a gentle smile, the smile of the Divine Mother. That smile became energy. That energy became light, and that light spread across the darkness, filling it with creation. From that smile, the universe was born. Galaxies spun into motion, stars were lit, planets took form. Rivers began to flow, winds began to move, and life began its eternal dance. This was the form of Ma Kushmanda, the mother who created the Anda, the cosmic egg, with radiance of her smile. The name Kushmanda means the little cosmic egg, reminding us that she is the source of all existence, the first vibration that set creation into motion. Unlike other deities, Kushmanda does not dwell in forests or mountains. She resides at the very center of Surya Mandala, the core of the sun. From her being radiates the warmth and energy that sustains all life on earth. The light we see in the sky, the energy that makes plants grow, the strength that beats in our hearts, all are her gifts. Without her, the sun would lose its glow, the universe would fall into lifeless silence. Thus, she is not only the mother of creation, she is the heartbeat of existence itself. Ma Kushmanda is often depicted with 8 or 10 arms. In them, she carries weapons, scriptures, rosary beads, nectar, and a lotus. Each of these has a meaning. The weapons symbolize the power to protect creation. The rosary represents continuous devotion, the eternal rhythm of creation and dissolution. The nectar shows that she is the one who nourishes all beings. The lotus is a sign of purity. Though she lives amidst the fiery radiance of the sun, she remains untouched by its heat, just as the lotus blooms pure amidst the mud. Her mount is a lion, fierce and fearless, symbolizing courage. Her face glows with compassion, and her smile, the smile that gave birth to the cosmos, continues to radiate healing energy to all human beings. Ancient scriptures and stories tell us how sages and devas invoked her when darkness clouded the universe. It is said that when the gods were weak, drained of their energy by demons, they turned to her, and she, with a single smile, restored vitality to the entire cosmos. Sage Kashyapa once performed a great penance to invoke the mother. The moment he closed his eyes in deep meditation, he saw an endless light filling the void around him. From that light emerged Ma Kushmanda, blessing him with divine vision. She said, I am the beginning of all beginnings. It is through me that life flows. Those who remember me will never lack strength or vitality. In another story, when the demons grew arrogant after gaining boons, the Devas prayed to her. She appeared radiant as the rising sun, and with a flash of her weapons, she dissolved their darkness. Even today, she is worshipped as the one who removes diseases, weakness, and fear, filling her devotees with health, energy, and light. The name Kushmanda itself holds deep meaning. Ku means little, Ushma means warmth or energy, Anda means the cosmic egg. Together, it means the little cosmic egg created by her warmth. The universe, vast and infinite to us, is but a small egg in her divine vision. Just as a mother holds her child within her womb, Kushmanda holds the universe within her smile. In the Devi Bhagavatam, she is praised as the Adi Shakti, the source of all creation. She is said to have created three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and then instructed them in their cosmic duties. In the Markandeya Purana, she is described as the radiant mother who dwells in the sun, nourishing all beings with her light. She is called Ashtabhuja Devi, the eight-armed goddesses who carries both the weapons of destruction and the symbols of creation. Sages declared that even a single remembrance of Kushmanda destroys lifetimes of darkness, for she is the very embodiment of energy. In yogic philosophy, Ma Kushmanda is linked with the Anahata Chakra, the heart center. The heart chakra is a seat of love, compassion, and vitality. When it is blocked, we feel weak, fearful, or closed off from others. When it is open, we feel alive, radiant, and connected to all. Meditating on Ma Kushmanda opens the heart chakra. Her radiant energy floods the heart with light, washing away sorrow and fear, filling the seeker with joy, strength, and compassion. Now close your eyes and imagine. Visualize the rising sun, vast and golden, filling the sky with light. As you draw closer, you see that at the very heart of the sun sits a radiant goddess, Ma Kushmanda. Her form glows brighter than a thousand suns, yet her smile is gentle, soothing, and motherly. She looks at you, and with that smile, your heart fills with warmth, and your worries dissolve. All your weakness fades away. You feel light, strong, and alive. As you breathe, feel her energy flowing into you. With every inhale, her light enters your heart. With every exhale, your fear and sorrows dissolve. You are radiant, you are alive, you are blessed. Her mantra is simple yet powerful. Om Devi Kushmandiye Namaha. Chant this softly with devotion. Each repetition fills your body with strength. Each vibration opens your heart wider to her light. It is said that repeating this mantra daily removes illness, weakness, and sorrow and blesses the devotee with long life, vitality, and radiant energy. From the story and form of Ma Kushmanda, we can learn powerful lessons for our own lives. The power of a smile. Just as her smile created the universe, our smile too can create positivity around us. In moments of stress, when the world feels heavy, a simple smile can lighten hearts, both ours and others. Energy and vitality. Life is energy. Without energy, nothing can move forward. Kushmanda teaches us to care for our inner energy through discipline, devotion, and positive action. Creation to compassion. The mother did not create with anger but with love. Our actions too should be guided by compassion. Creation, whether it is in our work, our families, or our dreams, must come from a heart full of kindness. Radiance amidst darkness. Just as she resides in the fiery core of the sun, we too must remain radiant in difficult times. The world may test us, but we can choose to shine with inner light, steady and fearless. Each morning, as you wake up, pause for a moment, place your hand on your heart, visualize the golden light of the sun rising within you. Whisper softly, Om Devi Kushmandiye Namaha. Smile gently as you do this. Begin your day with her energy, and you will find yourself radiant, steady, and strong throughout. Ma Kushmanda is the cosmic mother, the one whose smile gave birth to the universe. She is the light within the sun, the warmth in our breath, the radiance in our hearts. As you walk through the sacred fourth day of Navaratri, carry her smile within you. Smile in the face of challenges, smile in the midst of uncertainty. Smile as she smiled, and let that smile be the seed of new creation in your life. May Ma Kushmanda bless you with vitality, long life, and the strength to shine like the sun. Om Devi Kushmandiye Namaha. This is the Gita Journal. Follow for such more epic tales.